they brought the dozer out, middle of nowhere. Man, this was a pain in the butt to get this in here. We're headed back to go get the Sany, and the Sany's got to be on 7 axles instead of 5 axles, and it's going to be a pain in the butt to get it out here for sure. I obviously won't be able to bring it to here. We'll have to offload it in the road, and then they'll track it in. But man, what a pain in the butt for this job. This job's going to take a while, a couple of weeks, and then we'll have to move the equipment back out. But whew, not fun, not even a little bit. Now walk forward. Or walk backwards. Yeah, there you go. Walk on a little. Don't twist, just walk. Stop. Turn around and move your tracks over. It's a pain in the butt. And I made it hard on myself. Good. Hey. Straight. Hold it. A little more. Hold it. It's pretty good. You can walk straight. Hold that for a sec. All right, curl all the way up. Uncurl a little. No, uncurl. Bring your stick back in though. All right, now uncurl a little more. Now come down. All right, walk forward. Stop. Go down. Uncurl a little. Stop. Go down. So weight off it. That looks good. All right, hang on. We're loading the Sany. It's raining, so I'm not going to take very much video. Stop. One. That's one. We got it loaded. About ready to head out. Well, I didn't film a lot today. Got the low boy washed. Got the pressure washer set up over here to wash a bunch of stuff tomorrow, but it's raining, and on this GoPro I have a medium mod on it, and I don't want to get the microphone all wet, so I haven't bothered trying to film a lot. It's been kind of a day. Moved the Sany and the 6 up to this job in the middle of nowhere, and I really wish I had the ability to be able to film more of it, but it was just muddy and drizzling and all that. I'm kind of worried about my gear just being out like that. So I just didn't bother filming a lot. Made a bunch of shorts though. You'll have to go on the channel and check them out. Tomorrow we'll be cleaning most of the day. Oh, I gotta put my seatbelt on. And then Monday we're gonna be moving equipment again. But it's just a drizzly, rainy, muddy mess. But it's Friday. And I got paid. I'm gonna owe the government like 13 grand in taxes. So I get paid $10.99. Man. So we're headed home. Let's see what Ashley's doing. Thinking about trying a new place for dinner or something. This rain's been really messing things up lately. Oh, I just heard stuff fall over in the back. So we haven't been working very much. Now we started a new job, and I think we can do that in the rain. I don't think it's really gonna make much of a difference. Oh, Jared's trying to go around me. I got in front of him yesterday and drove all slow. It drying up. Yeah.
I get behind you this time.
Are you going straight?
Yeah.
Hey, you learned, huh? Yeah. He doesn't want to get behind me this time. Pretty sure he's headed home. But the river's flooding. The lake's definitely super full. The lake level can't go up super high because of that nuclear power plant, so they're letting a ton of water out of the dam. It's been moderate flooding downstream. Just kind of been crazy. The people who've been living here for a long time told me this is pretty rare. It doesn't happen all that often. So I'm looking forward to go pick up Ashley, go take her over to the dam, let her see the water just pouring out of it. It's probably 22 feet above where it was at right before this last storm. Got 5 to 6 inches of rain, so it's crazy. Never seen anything like that since I've been here. I know it was a little bit worse than this on that last big flood. They just opened the gates completely, and it's just free flowing. Nice rainy day.